Avoid sunburn. Essential tips for skin protection. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we'll be exploring the phrase, avoid sunburn, and discussing how you can protect your skin from the sun. This is an important topic, especially in the summer months or if you're in sunny locations. Let's dive in and learn more about this common and crucial piece of advice. The phrase, avoid sunburn, is a straightforward piece of advice. Avoid means to keep away from or stop oneself from doing something. Sunburn is a type of skin damage caused by too much exposure to the sun's ultraviolet UV rays. Together, the phrase means to take steps to prevent your skin from getting sunburned. It's not just a matter of comfort. Sunburn can have serious health implications. Sunburn doesn't just cause temporary pain and redness, it can lead to more serious long-term effects. Repeated sunburns, especially during childhood, can increase the risk of skin conditions like melanoma later in life. It also accelerates skin aging, leading to premature wrinkles and sunspots. So, avoiding sunburn is not only about immediate comfort but also about maintaining long-term health and skin quality. To effectively avoid sunburn, you need to take several key steps. 1. Use sunscreen. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30. Reapply every 2 hours, or more often if swimming or sweating. 2. Wear protective clothing. Long-sleeved shirts, pants, and wide-brimmed hats can shield your skin from UV rays. 3. Seek shade. Stay under umbrellas or trees, especially during the sun's peak hours, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. 4. Avoid tanning beds. Tanning beds emit harmful UV rays and can increase the risk of skin damage. 5. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps maintain skin health. If you do get sunburned, it's important to recognize and treat it promptly. Symptoms include red, painful skin that feels hot to the touch. To treat sunburn, cool the skin, apply a damp cloth or take a cool bath. Use moisturizers. Lotions containing aloe vera can soothe sunburned skin. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to help skin healing. Avoid further sun exposure. Stay out of the sun until your skin has healed. We hope this video helps you understand the importance of the phrase, avoid sunburn, and gives you practical tips on how to protect your skin from the sun. Remember, taking care of your skin is not just about beauty, it's about your health too. Stay safe and enjoy the sun responsibly. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.